That's obviously the reason that he pulled him over. We're gonna find out real quick what's going on.
Appreciate it, sir. It's complete nonsense.
We seen what he did on Decatur. We got your back. That's why I followed you.
As soon as he pulled up, he had his gun drawn with my hands out the window.
I got it all on video. That's why I'm here. Excuse you?
That's his right as a human.
over there.
I can say wherever I want to. Okay?
Okay.
Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. In today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel Vegas Valley Community Watch. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Today's video took place on February 9th, 2022 in Las Vegas, Nevada. The auditor in today's video came across a traffic stop and decided to pull out his camera and film the interaction. What he films is a police officer going into full tyrant mode because the auditor had the audacity to actually film this interaction. Now, let's jump right into today's video and break down this footage.
I have to come over there. Sir, you're kind of interrupting what we're doing.
I'm kinda?
Here. Yes, you are. Now my attention's on you.
Okay.
When it should be on officer
Well,
safety
then go back
and
to
safety
him.
of the citizen.
Who-
Then please get out of here. Not get out of here.
Excuse you?
You can stand
What
up
is
there.
your name and badge number?
Right here.
I know what it is.
Bullwinkle, badge number.
Do you want to retract your
145.
statement?
As far as,
Me getting out of here.
can you please back up?
I could. Is this a lawful statement?
Yes, it is.
So, really? You're going to arrest me if I don't?
You're obstructing us right now.
Am I obstructing you?
I'm telling you right now, you can film all day long.
I know I
Just
can.
Please get out. Don't talk.
Is this
to
a crime
me
scene?
or him.
Is this a crime scene?
Yes.
Then go ahead, put your yellow tape up.
I don't have yellow tape.
All right, well, then go get something.
Okay. Okay. We're not doing this today.
Oh, well, we're doing it right now. Just go back to your job. We're here to film this. That's all.
That's fine, and you're okay to do that, but please don't make a scene of it. That's
Excuse
what you're
you?
doing right now, is making a scene.
No,
of
I'm
it.
not.
Yes, you are.
Get back to your job. This will be up on YouTube later tonight on my Community Watch channel, and you'll be seeing.
You said I was a robbery
Excuse you?
suspect.
Any business cards for that?
Oh, you'll see it. I don't need a business card.
Okay.
You got any more stupid questions you want to ask?
No, but please stop interrupting us, please.
Well, stop talking to me. If you engage in conversation with me, I'm going to respond. Thank you. Hey, guys, look at this guy. Let's take a look at the stuff he has on his belt. All right, everybody on YouTube, you see, this is what happens. Now, I just want to sit here and get some video. I know this gentleman. He's a good guy. How you doing, buddy?
He just asked them who these two clowns. So what?
You talking about us?
They said I was a robbery suspect.
That's okay.
I came from Edwards.
If that's, I respect these gentlemen doing their job as long as they're not violating your rights.
That's debatable.
This happens a lot out here in Las Vegas, subscribers. People get pulled over, we understand. We understand, you know, they just want to do the job. They want to clear the suspect and let him go, and we respect that. But there's times that officers like this, and this happens here quite frequently with the state troopers. They try to hide from accountability. As you can see this clown right here. You see a little smirk on his face? The smirk, exactly. See, he's smiling, everybody. Let's get a close-up of this guy. There you go. So right now, he sees somebody with an iPhone camera, and he assumes, hey, they're just a schmuck. I don't want him to see what I'm about to do to this guy, but I'm here to expose it to the world.
Entertainment. They say they're recording people entertainers.
Excuse you? What am I? You said I'm an entertainer?
I'm sorry, I'm not talking to you, sir.
Well, you just said, excuse me, officer, what is your name and badge number?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Well,
I don't even know who you are.
Well, exactly, but I know who you are, and I want to know who you are. Now, per your policy, what is your name and badge
I don't know
number?
what you're talking about, man.
Well, did you know what he just said? Huh? What did he just say about me? Why did he call me an entertainer? Is that what he said? I would just get real clear.
Sir, if you let him explain
Give me my
these
6 feet
things,
space. Get back.
if you explain things, sorry.
Give me my 6
Let
feet
him
space.
explain things so we can get this gentleman out of here. Right now, you're just
Why did you call me
instigating
an
things.
entertainer?
Are you not?
We're not even here.
Do I look like an entertainer? Do you know me?
Are you posting things on YouTube? It's
Do
for
I look like I
entertainment.
work on the strip?
Didn't even
It's
stop
for
you.
entertainment.
We're not here for you.
Yeah, he did try to stop
No,
me.
no one stopped you.
Oh, yeah?
I stopped this guy and you ran up
Hey,
from nowhere and started filming
you
us.
sound like a nice guy. What's your name, buddy? Thomas?
Dude, nobody
You're a
nobody
big guy,
wants
but you
here.
sound very soft like
Nobody
a cupcake.
wants you
I
here,
like you.
man.
Nobody wants
you
me here?
No.
Nobody wants you here. Wants you out of here.
All right.
How's that?
Sounds
Now,
good.
how's that? Nobody wants you here harassing this guy. No, you don't want me here because I'm protecting this gentleman. You don't want me here? You don't want me on this public property? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Put some yellow tape up. We don't want you here. You sound an idiot. This guy doesn't want you here harassing him. Thank you, gentlemen, for respecting my First Amendment. They see. Oh, you don't? Okay. This guy said we don't want us here. You're about to be seen by over 100,000 people. You don't want us here.
Officer Ancient, his badge number is 560.
I got it all.
What's your badge number?
Per his policy, he must give it to me.
Mr. Thomasek, what is your badge number?
Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Mr. Von Winkle.
He's about as bright as a bag of rocks.
Mr. Von Winkle's badge number is 145.
Look at this guy. Look at this little deputy. He don't want us here. This deputy's about to learn a lesson today. You are gonna, hey, Cupcake. You're gonna do the walk of shame today for saying that. Do you understand me? You are gonna do the walk of shame because I ain't going anywhere. How dare you do what you don't want me here? Hey, you see how he says he don't want us here? He would love to shake me down, violate my civil rights. He would love to. He don't want me here. Well, what legal right? Well, you tell us a legal ground you don't want me here. Who doesn't want me here? You or the owners of this property that I'm good friends with, that I do business with? Huh?
This is why I called you an entertainer.
Hey, entertainer. Exactly. Now I'm gonna. Exactly. You know what I'm known for? Fucking scumbags like you when you run your mouth and you violate me. That's what I'm known for. Now I'm about to roast the shit. You guys not see Louis on that Dieter video? Fuck you think just exposed Louis Maldonado? Huh? Man, shut up. And we're gonna make sure that he goes home to his family without being harassed, with dignity. These guys work for us. These are my taxpayer. These are my servants right here. My taxpayer dollars pays them. If there's a crime, just tell us. We're local media.
No, you're not. Like I said, you're entertainers.
I'm an entertainer?
Yes.
You know what you are?
What?
You're my...
That's nice.
It is. I know it's
Do me a
nice.
favor, back up, please.
But how about do me a favor and do your... You want to embarrass this guy? I'll embarrass you. Shut up. Can you believe this guy trying to call us a bunch of entertainers? Metro, this first class Joseph Lombardo. We love Metro. This is the difference between Metro and the Nevada State Police.
So just stand back.
Oh yeah, man. Oh, we're gonna stand back.
Keep your distance, right?
How much distance? Joseph Lombardo told me personally, I'm personally, all I need is 10 feet. He said if you need more than 10 feet, go ahead, put your yellow tape up, correct? Is that your policy?
Just keep your distance. Don't respect the officers, right?
Respect? Why should I respect them? They work for me. Why should I respect him? He told me I was an entertainer. Huh? Am I here to entertain you? Huh? Am I here to entertain you?
Stand back. Just keep your distance, please.
Why? COVID?
No, sir, not good.
Is there yellow tape? Look at the difference between Metro and the state police, everybody. Those are first class right there. Is this your car? People down. Yeah. Roger one there, guy. I got a camera sitting there on me. Roger one that, all Roger. And Roger that. Roger that. Scared of a camera, guys. Accountability.
Not at all.
I'm not at all.
Got my camera on.
I know you do. And you know something stupid? I'm gonna be in your barracks and I'm gonna put a FOIA request in for that film. You better not delete that, and you better make sure that the camera's running.
I can't delete it.
I know you can't. You know why? Because I'm boss and I told you not to, stupid.
That's fine.
I know it's
Do me a
fun.
favor, back up a
I ain't
little
backing
bit.
up.
Back up, please.
For what?
Because
6 feet, right? Wait, you just got a little bit closer to me.
6 feet. I thought you said Joe Lombardo said 10 feet.
And I'm 10 feet from him, and I'm 6 feet from you, right?
10 feet.
10 plus 6 is 16, right? Do your math, stupid. Turn around and put your focus on him. You don't want my focus on you in my videos.
Exactly. I don't need you interrupting me.
Well, too bad. I'm doing this. I don't need you to run your mouth. Just shut up and focus on the task in front of you, boy. Because now you're going to get a public shaming. You're about to get at least 100K views. Fucking.
Can you do me a favor?
Sure, brother.
You can by all means video. It's all good.
Thank you.
Just move over there and do it for me.
Over where?
Over there.
Where's where?
Over by that curb. See where that curb is at?
That
I'm
curb?
conducting the investigation. Please move over there.
Curb? You know how far that is?
Yes, sir, I do.
Oh,
And that's why I'm asking you to be there.
Oh, so that my cameras can.
No, your camera will work from there, sir.
Okay.
I promise.
Oh, am I too close?
Yes.
Put some yellow tape up.
I'm sorry?
Yellow tape.
That's not required, sir. Really. I'm just asking for your cooperation.
Is it a
I'm
lawful
not
order?
trying to stop you from videoing, but I'm not going to allow you to instruct or interfere with my
Obstruct?
investigation. So all I'm asking you to do, I've done this 100 times.
I know,
get
me
it.
too.
You probably have too.
And I know.
So
And you
do
know what
me a
obstruction
favor.
means? Means I'm standing between you and he's gone. Yo, get out of here. He was just left. Now, you know what? I ain't going nowhere. What's
You're
your
back, sir.
What's your name and badge number?
You're going to move back, sir. It's
What?
Simmons 6811.
What's the
And you're
investigation?
about to be on the hood of the car. Please don't do that.
For what?
Just move back. That's all I
Tell
ask
me
you
why.
to do.
Is it
All I ask you to do is
under
move
the
back.
threat of arrest? Are you gonna arrest me if I?
If you obstruct or interfere in my investigation,
Where's the? Hey, are you free to go? Is he? Shut up. Is he free to go? Where's the investigation? He's free. Are you free to go, brother? Now get my back. Is there an investigation? No, I'm not involved. No, I'm not involved.
I'm trying to conduct an investigation.
What?
Not
Where's the
arguing
what?
with you.
I know you're not.
What are you accomplishing, sir?
What am I accomplishing? Because you're trying to violate my constitutionally protected activity as a member of the media.
Absolutely not.
Then where's the
I
investigation?
haven't violated your
This
rights
guy's
in
free.
any way.
Yeah, you have.
No, I haven't.
I'm over here talking to this guy.
Oh, okay.
You asked me, so if you asked me, that means I have a right to say no, right?
We're done. Just stay
I know, so kick rocks. You're doing the walk of shame. God bless you, brother.
No,
I
not
think
at all.
what? My piece on.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and go over and check out Vegas Valley Community Watch's YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit the video at knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until next time, YouTube, you stay safe out there.